when do you think I should start investing stocks? Just
I
like
think
when
I think I think the time to start investing in stocks. First of all, if you're in debt, you don't invest into stocks. If you
yeah.
don't have a good amount of income, you don't invest into stocks. Here's why. The goal is that you're always going to get a greater ROI from investing in yourself than you are going to get from the stock market. Because for example, if you invest $20,000 into a career for yourself, 2 3 years, that can earn you $50,000 every single year. If you put that in the stock market, that money is trapped there for a while, for the long term, and then only later in 10, 20 years you can get that money out. But you still have the same very low income. But if you, for example, say I'm going to put this $20,000 now, or whatever it is, $10,000 into my career today, make $50,000 a year, and now I have
Mhm.
even more income to go ahead and invest. As far as stocks though, I wouldn't invest into individual stocks unless you really want to do that stuff. For example, you have to learn how to actually pick a stocks. That comes from like accounting and financial skills.
Mhm.
So you can read, for example, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham
Yeah,
if you want to
I'm
do
I'm
that.
currently on it.
Yeah. Or and also on top, once you're done with that book, it's like a beginning book, by the way. Then you want to read Security and Analysis by Benjamin Graham and also David Dodd. But me personally, I don't do picking stocks. What I do is I just do index funds because I don't want to spend 8 hours of my day every single day looking through all those stocks and stuff like that. But it's up to you on what you want to do. But I would focus on investing on myself first because even Warren Buffett, when he really started investing, he already graduated, he already had a great job, and he had so much money coming in that he had extra money to just go ahead and invest and invest and invest. But if he tried to
Mhm.
invest with just, for example, like $800 a month, it'll be very hard because you also have financial instability. If the stock market crashes, what do? You
Yeah.
can't take the money out, and you still need
Mhm.
to pay your bills. You get what I'm saying?
You've got to stop.